Newly registered XOAP users now have the Windows 11 security baseline directly available in their workspaces. Here's how to use it. In XOAP, go to Configuration Management, Configurations, and search for Windows 11 Security Baseline. In this configuration, we have integrated all best practices from the Center of Internet Security and STIG from the October release. You can use the configuration as is or improve it and change the settings. After updating the configuration, just save it as a new version. You will then be able to use both versions as needed. If you would like to assign this configuration to a system, go to Groups and assign this configuration to an existing group or a new one. Select a group, click Edit, and just assign the new version to the group. Each connected system will then get this configuration and security baseline. If you don't find this configuration in your XOAP account, go to our Git repository and download the latest DSC modules to create this configuration set, or contact us directly at hello@xoap.io.